In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and play mods on Steam. If you're new to Steam Workshop, don't worry, this is straightforward, and I'll explain what to expect along the way so everything works the first time. Start by opening Steam and navigating to the game you want to mod. You can get there either from your library or by visiting the game store page. Just below the play button, look for an option labeled Workshop. That's Steam's built-in hub where creators share mods. If you see it, click through to open the workshop for that specific game. You'll land on a page filled with user-created content like new maps, quality of life tweaks, visual upgrades, and more. Take a moment to read each mod's description, skim the comments, and check when it was last updated. That quick look helps you avoid outdated content and find what fits your setup. When you find a mod you want, click the green subscribe button. Subscribing tells Steam to automatically download that mod to your PC. You'll see the download begin in Steam's Downloads section, and it will continue in the background while you browse for more. If your connection is slow or you're installing several large mods, give Steam a bit of time to finish. Keeping an eye on the progress ensures everything is fully installed before you hop into the game. Once your downloads are done, launch the game as you normally would. In most cases, supported mods will activate automatically as the game starts, so you won't need to toggle anything. If you don't see changes right away, make sure all workshop downloads completed and the game isn't still running in the background, then start it again for a clean load. Some games include anti-cheat systems that block mods to keep multiplayer fair. If your game uses one of these systems, you may need to disable the anti-cheat to use mods, and you'll typically find that option in the game's launcher or settings menu. Look for a clear toggle or launch option indicating anti-cheat off or mod-enabled mode. This is usually intended for single-player or private sessions, and the game will let you know when anti-cheat is disabled. That's it. Thanks for watching.